Take a moment to arrive. Let your body settle without needing to change anything. And begin to deepen your breath. Inhale slowly and exhale softly through the mouth. Again, breathing in and out. With every exhale, allowing something in you to soften. Bring your awareness into your body, out of the mind and into sensation. Feel the weight of your body, the ground beneath you, and slowly allow your awareness to descend from your head into your chest, into your belly, and deeper. Rest your awareness in your womb space, low in your body, quiet, steady. Begin to breathe into this space, not forcing, just allowing the breath to reach. As your awareness settles here, a subtle inner space begins to open. Not something you create, but something you enter. In front of you, there is an opening, a threshold, and you may begin to notice a doorway gently appearing before you. Beautiful, magnificent. When you are ready, allow yourself to step through. On the other side, you find yourself standing within your womb space. It may reveal itself as a landscape or in the form of a garden. Not imagined but remembered. Take a moment here. Let your body register where you are. Look around. What is the atmosphere of this place? Is it open, enclosed, lush, quiet, or untouched? Walk slowly through the space and begin to feel what is alive here. Notice the ground beneath you, the quality of the soil. Does it feel nourished or a little empty? Without needing to change anything, simply acknowledge what is here. And as you stay present, the space begins to respond to you, not because you control it, but because you are connected to it. You may notice certain areas drawing your attention. A place that feels full, or a place that feels empty. Go there. Kneel down. Bring your awareness closer and ask quietly, what is needed here? Not from the mind. Let the answer rise from your body. You might feel a shift, a softening, a warmth, or simply a deeper awareness arising from within. Stay with it. If there is something here that feels out of place, you don't need to force it away. Just see it clearly, and in that clarity, notice what begins to change. Your presence itself is what tends this place. Take a breath here and allow yourself to receive what is already available. There may be a sense of nourishment, of steadiness, of quiet power. Let that move through you. And before you leave, take one more look around. Notice what feels different now, even subtly. Begin to step back, returning the way you came, through the threshold. And gently bring your awareness back into your body, your breath, your chest, your belly, your womb. Feel the connection still there, quieter now, but also more present. There is nothing to hold on to, but something in you remembers. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.